In today's video, we are going to show you why your computer may be very noisy or not work properly in general, and why it's so important to do it, to repeat this process every now and again, most probably every 3 to 6 months. Today we've got IBM machine. This particular machine is point of sale. However, this may be happening in your computer or any other type of personal computer in general. So gently remove the cover and see what's going on and why the fan is very noisy. So in a moment we will be able to see the inside and the fan and what's going on. Some of you may be very surprised. We can already see so much dust. Everything, all fan covered in so much dust. We think that this was the reason why this machine, this computer was very, very noisy and working rather slowly. We'll just have to remove all the dust, hoover it very well, and put the cover back, and then see how this after general cleaning and hoovering, put all the parts back together, the cover, and see how it works, if it makes any difference. This particular computer is a second-hand point of sale machine, and we purchased not so long ago, so never knew it was so dusty. If you think that you like what we do and you are keen on some more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. job done, and good luck with getting your computers sorted and cleaned. Thank you!